Hey, what's up YouTube? TMZ1313 here. Today I just want to show you guys my total kilowatt hours since I've had this MPPT charge controller. I've had it for a little under 9 months. And I have two 100 watt solar panels. So I got a total of 200 watt of solar panels coming in. I do not use the system as much as I would like to. Otherwise, I would have a whole bunch more kilowatt hours. It's mostly on standby every day, in case of emergency, if the grid goes down, or it's mostly to power anything in my garage. And especially during the winter time, I haven't been in my garage as much. But I'd like to show you guys just show you guys what's how much I've made and everything like that. Also, I want to give a shout out to JW Solar USA. He is the man. He gave me an awesome shout out. I really appreciate it, brother. Your channel is just as good as any other channel, if not better. You're very knowledgeable, and just thanks for the shout out. So anyways, let me show you guys what I've produced today. So today was a very cloudy, rainy day. It rained about all day, so I did not make much, and I did use my my batteries to wash some clothes with my solar washing machine, because I had dirty clothes from work. I didn't want to wash in the regular washing machine. So anyways, it is sitting at 12.7 right now, but I did make a 0.09 kilowatt hours. That is so much, isn't it? Well, anyways, for the month I made 5.37 kilowatt hours. Not bad. In total, I made 100 watts of kilowatts hours in 9 months. Not too bad, but like I said, I could have reached this point a long time ago. I just don't use my system as much as I want to, and I hope to soon change it. Just trying to get my money situated, and we'll go from there. So thanks guys for watching. It's a short video. I want to show you guys what's going on. And also, I want to talk about YouTube. They now demonetized my channel, so I did not make any money off of it. Granted, I did not make a lot. This past 6 months, I've actually made the most I've ever made on YouTube. I made $100 in 6 months on YouTube, and my channel's been blowing up with new subscribers, just awesome people watching my videos, and I really appreciate it, guys. But you know, I hate to do a sub for sub thing, because you know, if you're not interested in my content, then it's kind of pointless. But if you do like solar panels, or are interested in getting into it, then I really hope you guys subscribe to my channel. And if you have any content like my channel, I will also subscribe. So I will be doing like a sub to sub thing if your channel is kind of relatable to mine. I just think it's kind of I understand why they're doing it. You know, they just got too much stuff going on. They're trying to figure out the right way to do it. But you know, all these smaller channels like mine took a big hit. You know, to me, it's like an incentive to make videos. I don't make videos to make money. I definitely have a job to make money, but extra income is always nice, and it just makes you want to do good at, you know, produce good videos and stuff like that. And you know, I've made videos just so I could solely make money on it. I try to you know, make good content, and try to make it interesting, and I try to follow, you know, their guidelines, just so I could get monetizing. So anyways guys, like, share, subscribe, check out all my other videos. I got a whole bunch of solar videos. I got a whole bunch more planning coming up on videos. I think it'll be real interesting for you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.